Subscribe this channel Auxtics Technologies to get more and more interesting electronic projects, and press this bell icon to get notifications from us. Okay friends, now we are going to just disable the mute and standby functions of the IC TDA7294. So guys, this is the circuit which we have to follow, and after experimenting for some time, I just figured out that by using these things, by using these resistors and this Zener diode 4148, we will be able to just solve our problem. So guys, I will show you that how to connect. This is the circuit diagram which I have made for you guys, and I will just follow this to rectify this problem. So I will just first of all pick up this 1N4148 Zener diode, and I will connect 33 kilo ohm resistor in parallel with this Zener diode. So just do it. It's very simple to do. We will just solder it. You just need these 4 components and a single small piece of wire. That's it. So I'll just make the connections as it is, as they are in this circuit diagram. So in my hand you can see that here it is a 33 kilo ohm resistor and 1N4148 Zener diode, and we are going to connect them in parallel. So it means that I will just short the legs, as you will see here. That's it. Now I'll just solder it. So guys, you have seen that I have made this connection, means that I have shorted these 4148 and 33 kilo ohm resistor and 4148 Zener diode. So now I will take this 10 kilo ohm resistor, which is this one, and I will solder it on either side of our diode. Means that at the cathode of this diode, you can see here that this point is the cathode, and you can see the black colored diode. So black color side of the diode, so it means that this is the cathode side. So I will just pick this 10 kilo ohm resistor and will connect it here like this. Okay, so it's done. So we have made this thing, and now we are only left with this 22 kilo ohm resistor, which I'm going to connect it here after the 10 kilo ohm resistor. So here we go. I'll solder it again. So it's now soldered. Okay, as you see in the circuit diagram, this is the 9th pin of the IC 7294, and this is the 10th pin. So it means that we only have to now connect this made thing, the resistor and the Zener diode circuit, the smaller circuit, with the pin number 9 and pin number 10 of our IC, and in the circuit you have to locate the pin number 9 and 10 of the TDA7294 integrated circuit, and that's it. So guys, now I will take the board. Here the board, and I will just turn it around. Now I will just locate my pin number 9 and pin number 10 and we'll just do the connections. So for that I'll just take this piece of wire. And now I will be able to connect this piece of wire at the pin number 10 of our IC. So pin number 10 is very easy to locate. You just start counting from this side or from the back side. Yes, this is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So guys, this is our pin number 9. You can also locate from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I'll just solder this wire here. I think it's a little bit long, so I'll just cut it. Okay. Now it will be soldered here. Okay friends, now you have seen that I have soldered this piece of wire at the pin number 9 of the integrated circuit, and similarly I will just solder this wire again at the pin number 10 of the integrated circuit. So again I will locate my pin number 10 like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one is the 10th pin. Okay friends, now you have seen that this piece of wire, I just took this piece of wires and I just soldered them at the pin number 9 and pin number 10 following this circuit diagram. So it's very simple. Now following this circuit diagram, you just need to start from the pin number 10, which is this one. This is the pin number 10. Okay, so I'll just connect the 1N4148 diodes backside, means that the anode side of the diode will be connected to the pin number 10. You just need to follow the diode, not the resistor. You just need to see the diode 4148 and connect it to the 10th pin of the integrated circuit. So I'll just see from here that the side which is not black colored is the anode side of the diode, and I'll just solder it here, the pin number 10, the wire coming from the pin number 10. So it's soldered now, and simply this side means that the 22 kilo ohm side of the resistor, one side of the 22 kilo ohm resistor will be connected to the pin number 9 following this circuit diagram. Now this left wire will be connected to this integrated circuit's pin number 9. Okay friends, so we are done with our connections, and we have successfully disabled our mute and the standby functions, and now I will show you the working of the amplifier. Now I'll just turn on the circuit, and before that you just need to very carefully place the components here, as the board is insulated, and if you feel that it's not safe, then you must place insulating material, just like a tape or anything. Like, you just need to paste these components here. I will prefer to paste the components here from the any insulated tape. Okay friends, now all the connections are now done. The transformer is connected, the speaker unit is also connected, and this 3.5 mm cable is also connected. And now I'm just going to turn on my modified PCB board. Here you can see the changes we have just made to disable the mute and the standby functions. So I will just turn it on. Here we go. Here you can observe the sound from the speaker. So here it is, the 3.5 mm cable. Now I'll touch it to see that. Here you can observe that the amplifier is working perfectly, and we have successfully disabled the standby and the mute functions of our TDA7294 integrated circuit. Now we will test some music on it. Connected my cell phone with the system, and the speaker is already connected. The circuit is also turning on, and you can not observe any single piece of noise from the circuit. And that's the beauty of Auxtics technologies, to produce such beautiful circuits that do not produce any sort of noise. So it's guaranteed. I'll just give some input from a mobile phone.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
So guys, you have seen that the circuit is working perfectly. If you want the Gerber file, if you want the PCB files of the circuit, then they are totally free. So you can download them from the links given in the description of this amplifier's video. So thanks for watching the video. Share, subscribe, and like our videos. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up.